Hi, we are from 𝐷𝐸𝐻 School and we are from PC Paris. And our group members are Emily, Vicky, Athena, Ryan, Shishi, and me, Henry. And we'll be talking about Phases of the Moon and rock cycle. And together we'll talk about Phases of the Moon.
So, hello everyone, our group called Rising Minds, and I'm Vicky. Today we three will be explaining about the phases of the moon. First, the Earth has one month. It takes 29.5 days for the moon to complete orbit around the Earth. So this we call a month. During the month, we can sometimes see a half of the moon, and sometimes a whole cycle of the moon, and sometimes no moon at all. This is because Earth only half the moon can be lit up by the sun at any one time. So part of the lit half of the moon, which we can see from the Earth, is the phases of the moon. We see all the phases of the moon in 39.5 days or a month.
So the cycle begins with the new moon. So the cycle begins with the new moon, and then next we can see the waxing crescent, where a small part of the moon becomes visible, and then we see the first quarter, where we can see the half of the moon is lit up, and then after that we can see waxing gibbous. It is more than half of the moon that is visible. So now Emily will explain the rest of the phases.
Then the full moon occurs when the Earth is between the moon and the sun. The entire moon looks so bright. After that, the little part of the moon starts to wane. Is called gibbous, and it's followed by third quarter, where the half of the moon is visible again. Finally, we can see the one sense. The cycle returns to the new moon. So this repeated pattern is called the phases of the moon. Our group member will explain about the rock cycle.
Hello, I will be talking about igneous rock. What is igneous? Igneous rock is a solid rock that forms when magma cools down inside the earth and when lava cools on the earth. And Ryan, please continue.
I'm going to talk about sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. What are sedimentary rock? Sedimentary rock are made from small pieces of rock called sediments. And metamorphic rock. Metamorphic means change. And that is, metamorphic rock have been changed many times, and it can be changed by barrier, heat, or both. She is gonna continue the rock cycle.
I will explain details about the rock cycle. A rock cycle doesn't have any starting or ending, but I will start from igneous rock, so I have to explain it easily. When igneous rock weathering and erosion, it becomes sediments, small part of rocks, and when sediments are in a stage called sedimentation, it becomes sedimentary rock. And when sedimentary rock weathering and erosion the same, it becomes sediments again. When sedimentary rock heat, barrier, and pressure, lots of pressure, it becomes metamorphic rock. And also when igneous rock heat and pressure very low, it can become metamorphic rock again. And when metamorphic rock weathering and erosion, it will become sediments again. When metamorphic rock got melting, it becomes lava, magma the same. And when magma got cooled, it became igneous rock again. When igneous rock got melting, it become lava again. That's all about this. Athena will continue explaining about periscope.
So people use the science of reflection to create periscopes, which are used in submarines. For example, if you are in a stadium and you're watching a football match and you cannot see because there are people taller than you, and then you can use a periscope to look at things that are out of your sight. So if I put my hand here, then the light travels to my hand and then it reflects off the top mirror, and then from the top mirror it goes straight down to the bottom mirror, and then finally from the bottom mirror it reflects to your eye. So that's how we can see through a periscope. And this is the end of our science fair project. So thank you for listening.